Flight's waiting for you to pull away. Flight's waiting for you to pull away.
Okay, runway 28, via Delta, Zulu, Yankee, and Mike with 91 Tango.
Twister 91 Tango Heavy. Airline gets one waiting for you now. Looks like they'll come behind you as long as you move.
Roger, with 91 Tango, move on.
4731 at Delta 2, give way to Swift. Chicago 4731 at Delta 2, give way to Swift.
Delta 2, give way to Swift. Chicago 4731.
Chicago 5008, have right, center left, tower 12075.
Right and left, corner 175. 27
Chicago 4731 at Delta 2, give way to Swift.
Delta 2, give way to Swift. Chicago 4731.
Chicago 5008, have right, center left, tower 12075.
Right and left, corner 175. 27 Chicago 5000.
Guys, turn right heading 360, climb maintain 15000.
Right 360, 15000, Mercury 3502.
Gas 732, good afternoon, radar contact. Climb maintain 15150.
15,000, United 732.
Eagle 3779, climb maintain 13000. 3779, got radar contact. 37 off 4, contact Chicago Center 119.905.
1995, good day.
Side 4731, direct turn, contact Chicago Center on 120.12. Direct turn 2012, good day, Chicago 4731. Number 39, the runway 28, number 10,
runway 22 right, then turn left at Romeo, contact ground point 9er at Romeo. 22 right, then Romeo, point 9, American.
3779. Air Shuttle 3779 or Air Shuttle Roger, Little Line on 279.
Air Shuttle right, Little Line, Air Shuttle 3779.
Canada 19,000.
Air Canada 519, wind 2107, runway 27 left, cleared to Atlanta.
About 20 left, they're going line.
6079, turn right heading 320.
Right turn 320, China.
Air China 1053 heavy, this right turn here, if you have it, where you parking?
The right turn right here, that's operator 105,
Yes, sir, where are you parking at?
Parking is South Chicago 25.
Air China Freight 1053 heavy, make another right turn onto Mike, hold short of off runway 32 left, and then hold short of Foxtrot, over.
Right turn to my hotel runway 32 left, and hold short Foxtrot, operator 1053.
Air China Freight 1053 heavy, cross runway 32 left, hold short of Foxtrot.
Cross runway 32 left, and hold short of Foxtrot, operator 1053.
AC6079, contact departure on 125.0.
And 125,
Chicago 5090, runway 28, flighting 270, clear for takeoff, name and frequency.
612, contact approach on 124.35 kilometers. Out of these 51.6, there's flow to 210 knots, please.
2500. Approach Approaching minimums.
26 feet is the scratching, connect the tower now, 12815.
Minimums.
Okay, we're going back, see you later.
1,000.
16,000 for 12,000 at hold, next go.
Mercury 3458, turn right, 250,
500. 400. 300. 200. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Start crossing Alpha now.
Start crossing out now, drive behind the next two expresses.
Delta 1677 ground, runway 22 left, back to your Bravo Delta.
Bravo Delta, Delta.
5921 on air ground, standard route, hold short static for a second.
United 1082, you're going to Bravo 4, correct?
And ground for 1092. Is that left or right on Bravo for us? Left?
American 1092, were you the one that had the question?
Yeah, left or right on Bravo for us. Hotel 18 is the gate.
American 1092, you can turn right on Bravo and then at Alpha 15, double back.
Alright, Alpha 15, double back right on Bravo. Thanks, 1092. Good afternoon, Iberia Maintenance 1.
Iberia Maintenance 1.